So, ladies, you've been laying some eggs, eh? Yeah. All right. Well, let's here's a quick update on the
Where's your piece of strawberry?
chicken prison, the hen house. As you can see, here it is. I took
Can I be in the picture?
a carbo and I cut a hole in the side for their water. So that they wouldn't get any dirt or garbage in it. I did the same thing with their food, and I just fill that up to the couple inches deep every few days. And here's the cage. And if you remember right in my other video, I built the little nesting box. I didn't really put a proper door on the nest, but here's. Oh yeah, they got a couple of eggs in there already. Got this little one and the big brown one. Those are nice.
Can I see?
Yep. They've been laying eggs every day.
I want to hold them.
Okay, don't drop it. They've been laying eggs every day. So they like their new chicken prison for sure.
Got a green egg?
You got a green egg. Now you need some green ham to go with your green egg, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even this egg.
Yeah.
Even the big egg.
So I threw some hay in there. They actually scratched and killed all the grass in this one little section that I put them in, but at least they have an area now.